My name is Scott Franzel. I'm the Senior Vice President of Technology for OFS. OFS is a leading manufacturer of office furniture, standing behind the two brands of OFS and Carolina. We wanted to understand our customers and our products better than everybody else, so we started exploring the use of analytics, which ultimately led us to choose Information Builders as our partner. As we were going through the selection process, we looked at several vendors that were out there. Ultimately, we chose Information Builders for a few reasons. First, they resembled our company more so than anybody else. Second, they were a partner to us. They understood where we wanted to go, not just at the current time, but down the road in the future. And finally, we thought it was a company we could have a long-term relationship with. The value that we're getting out of WebFocus today simply is we make better decisions. We've empowered our users to access all sorts of information very quickly, and ultimately they are able to make much better decisions than they have in the past, faster, more reliable, which helps us improve our customer satisfaction.